Hello all. Here we have about 150 books and they are ready to go to Norway. So I'll go through the books briefly. We have Mystery of Mineralogy, then Probabilities of the Quantum World. So these books are in amazing condition. We have Cybernetics of Living Matter, Differential Equations in Applications. So this is a Science for Everyone book. So I'm handling them softly because most of these books are unused. This one, Yes, No, or Maybe by I. Kurgin. Then Intensifying Production, Acceleration Factors. We have Physics and Geometry of Disorder, Percolation Theory. Probability Theory by E.S. Wenzel. So this is a very small book. Professor Wenzel has another book, Problems in Probability, The Nature of Magnetism. So this one even I can't open. Okay. We have Did You Say Mathematics by Ya Kurgin. Same author, Yes or No Maybe. So there are some holes but no hindrance to reading. And we have How We See What We See, Science for Everyone book. So would be very interesting. Then This Fascinating Astronomy by Komarov. Physics in Your Kitchen Lab. This one is interesting. A. Kitagorovskis, I am a physicist. Then we have Learning About Chemistry by Shulpin. Science for one book, Luminescence in Public Health. This one, Kikoin's Encounters with Physicists and Physics. As you can see, these books are unused, that's why I am handling softly. I can't open completely. This one is Heat Transfer in Boiling Cryogenic Liquids. Advanced series. Then we have Stark's Theoretical Mechanics, a short course. Then we have Love and Mathematics, Sofia Kovalevskaya. So this is a biography of Sofia Kovalevskaya. We have Methods of Solving Problems in High School Mathematics. This is one of my favorite books. Then Fundamentals of Heat Engineering. Collected Problems in Physics. Laser Physics and Applications. So interesting note, physics, there's a spelling mistake. So next book is Fundamentals of Quantum Mechanics by V.A. Fock. So here we have advances in Soviet USSR science and technology series. So first one is hermatology and transfusiology. Then chemistry of organophosphorus compounds. So please subscribe this channel. Upload more videos. This one, endovascular lung surgery. Management and controlling large systems. Plant cell culture. Advances in organosilicon chemistry. Current problems in computational fluid dynamics. Then we have superconductivity, superdiamagnetism, superfluidity. Macroscopic theories of matter and fields, a thermodynamic approach. Then advances in theoretical and applied mechanics. So here also there are two small holes going throughout the book, but no hindrance to reading. Here it is big little bit, but no hindrance to reading. Then problems in chemical kinetics. And plasma physics. Binary automatic control systems. Numerical methods in fluid dynamics. We have nonlinear phenomena in plasma physics and hydrodynamics. And population biology. Okay, now we have geometry by Pogorelov. Then mathematical logic by Ershov. So this is a pretty interesting book, as you can see. Now then we have higher mathematics series, a differential and integral calculus. Next we have physics of the 20th century, history and outlook. Now then we have semiconductor, heterostructures, physical processes and applications. Next we have experiment optimization in chemistry and chemical engineering. Next gravitation and elementary particle physics. Next reinforced concrete technology and practice. Then we have quantum theory of solids, advances series. Next, advances in polymer chemistry. Then we have programming and algorithmic languages. Next we have general chemistry. There are 2 volumes book. This is the volume 2. Looks like organic chemistry, part 1. This is part 1. Glinka. Next we have continental endogenous regimes. Then we have selected problems and theorems in elementary mathematics. So there are I think more than 300 problems suitable for Olympiads and mathematics challenges. So next book is chemical kinetics and catalysis. Then we have a book of problems in ordinary differential equations. So I can't open this book even. Then we have brazing and soldering of metals. Next, general hydrology. So next book we have is Fundamentals of Physics by B.N. Ivanov. Next we have molecular gas lasers. Next we have electrodynamics. Next we have installing oil refinery production equipment. Problems in geometry by Kotapov. So answers are there in the back. There are maybe hundreds and thousands of problems. Then we have fundamentals of mathematical analysis by Illin. This is part 1. Then we have part 2. Next we have higher mathematics, written by Yakovlev. Next we have fundamentals of electricity. Next, electrical engineering. Then we have electric power systems, cybernetics in electric power systems. Then we have analytical chemistry in rare elements. Then we have two volume set, Aerodynamics by Krasnov. This is part 1 and this is part 2. Then we have repair of power transformers. Then we have selected works of Tsiolkovsky. Then we have Introduction to Physics by A. Kitaygorsky. So next we have Differential and Integral Calculus by Piskunov. This one is volume 1. Then we have volume 2. Next we have Construction of Nuclear Power Plants. Next we have one of the rare books, very rare book, Molecular Physics by Matveev. Next we have Solving Problems in Algebra and Trigonometry. Next we have The Quantum Dice by Ponomarev. Next we have Problem Book in High School Mathematics. Then we have Physics A General Course Volume 3 by Savelyev. Next we have Construction of Power Transmission Lines and Substation, but there's a small damage here in the back, but inside pages are good. Then we have Problems on Fundamentals of Hydraulics and Heat Engineering. Next we have Fundamentals of Thermodynamics and Heat Engineering. So here it says Waterstein. Then we have Mechanisms in Modern Engineering Design Volume 3, Artur Bolusky. Next we have Remotely Controlled Robots and Manipulators. Next we have Geology and the Elements of Geomorphology. So this is a very big book. So pictures are printed on in color. Next we have Quantum Electrodynamics. Next we have Problems in Mathematics with Hints and Solutions by Gaurav and others. Next we have Operational Methods by V.P. Maslov. Next we have Mathematical Models of electric machines, Kopilov. Next, electric power system installation practice. This one is second edition. Then we have selected problems on physics by Myasnikov. Earlier we saw collected problems. This one is selected problems. Then we have mathematics for pre-college students by Baranov. Next we have differential geometry and topology. Next we have repair of windings and insulation in electric machines. Next we have problems in geometry by Modernov. Next we have fundamentals of organic chemistry. This 4-volume set, so this is volume 4. So this one is volume 3, orange, printed in orange. Next we have volume 2, red. Next we have volume 1. Okay, then we have microbiology. So next book is problems and exercises in chemistry. Then we have a guide to practical radiochemistry, 2-volume set. This is volume 1 and this is volume 2, blue color. Next we have mathematics for those entering technical schools. So these books, most of these books are in brand new condition. Manual of the theory of elasticity. Yeah, so this one also I can't open much because they are like new. Next book is dust and fume generation in the iron and steel industry. Next, electro-optical devices. Then we have introduction to discrete mathematics, Jablonski. Next we have analytical chemistry for soil scientists. And we have probability theory and mathematical statistics. Next, structural geology and geological mapping. Then we have tropical and subtropical soil science by SV Zone. So pictures and outlines are printed in color. Next we have geochemical prospecting by Solovov. Next, basic engineering geology and soil mechanics. Then we have soil mechanics, Zaitovich. And next we have universal physical constants. Next we have sweet earth. Next we have geographical prognostication, problems and prospects. Then space-time gravitation. Next we have signals and circuits, problem solving guide. So we saw the signals and circuits book. So this is problem solving guide. Next we have theoretical mechanics by E.M. Nikitin. Next we have academician Steklov, mathematician extraordinary. Then we have Ivan Seshonov. So this is outstanding Soviet scientist series. Next Excelberg, a man of the 20th century. This is a hardcover. Next we have My Lifelong Road to Light. So this is an autobiography by L.V. Lushin. Next we have Nikolai Valivov, The Great Sower. Then we have Three Paces Beyond the Horizon. Next we have Questions and Problems in High School Mathematics. Then we have some more outstanding Soviet series. Anatoly Arkadyevich Blagonarovov. Then we have academician Kurchatov, hero in Science and Labor. We have some more. Rem Kohlov. Then we have rice growing. Next we have The Wonderful Wizard of Magnesia. Next ordinary differential equations by M.L. Krasnov. So we saw a problems book by the same author. From the campfire to the plasma. Next we have ill-posed problems in the natural sciences. Then plane figures and sections, how to construct them given specific conditions. Next we have complex thermodynamic systems. Then we have the differential equations of thermodynamics. Next we have algebra and analysis of elementary functions. Next we have thermodynamics, statistical physics and kinetics by Ruma. So next we have algebra by Nikolsky and Potapov. So the last book is Signals and Circuits by S.I. Beskakov. So this also texts are printed in color here, as you can see. So thank you for watching this video. So these books, all of these books are going to Norway for $5,000. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.